What is up YouTube, Nick from TutorialTellers, and today I'll be showing you guys how to install the brass shifter bushing for your 2015 and up WRX or STI. I got this on Amazon for $9.99. So if you're interested in this product, I'll leave the link in the description below, so be sure to check that out. So pretty much the only tool you'll be needing is a 12mm wrench and a jack to jack up your car. Before going down there and trying to install it, you want to make sure that your car is in neutral. Then you want to jack up the passenger side because that's where we're going to be working at. Now it's located above the transmission support mount. Now here are the two 12mm bolts that we need to go ahead and remove to take off this plate. Once you have that plate off, it should look just like this. With the plate off, the linkage should be exposed. I forgot to mention earlier, you're going to either need needle nose pliers or I'm going to try a screwdriver to take this cotter pin out. With that cotter pin out, you should now be able to pull this out. So that washer that just dropped, and now we have access to the bushing. Now you're going to want to set the washer and the cotter pin to the side because we're going to be reusing them. Now you want to pry the OEM bushing either with your hand or with a screwdriver. I'm going to go ahead and just try it with my hand. Change of plans, I grabbed a screwdriver. Much bigger and more heavier. I found it easier to get a oversized screwdriver, I guess it's called. You just push it into the hole and push up and it popped out very easy. I'm going to go ahead and grab the two O-rings that was provided and I'm going to go ahead and install them to the shifter bushing. Now what you want to do is go ahead and grab the grease that was provided and go ahead and lube it up. Now there's no such thing as too much grease, so go ahead and put on however much you'd like. Now when you're reinstalling it, you want to go ahead and put the bushing on the rod and not the linkage. So go ahead and push that in right there. And just to be safe, I'm going to lube it up a little bit more. And then you want to go ahead and reinstall it. Now taking your washer from earlier, you want to go ahead and reinstall it, and then now we can grab the cotter pin. Once you reinstalled it, you can go ahead and put the bracket back on. The hardest part of this install was tightening back these two bolts with greasy hands. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.